Welcome team, Nathan here guys, founder and mentor of Idle Plant Alliance. Done the first video guys with the instructions. So we're going to break this complete build into small pieces. So this video guys, I'm going to show you what resources you need. You're going to open all the resources, everything that you need, like your recipe, everything is going to be there guys. And in the next video guys, we're going to follow it step by step. All I want you to do, we're going to follow this data machine, because if this is right guys, you don't need someone else to tell you, do this, do that, and so on with your videos. You let your data machine tell you what to do. So let's start, guys. On your screen, guys, you are watching this video, okay? So underneath or on this page of this training number 2, the first one was instruction. When you open training number 2, you're watching this, you are on the right page. So underneath this video, there's 2 links. All you need to do, you need to open the links. If that's open, guys, let's go through what is in front of you. So the first link, and I want you to identify it so that you can see it. So then you have a train eye. So the link is telling you this is the training guide. So when you click that first 2 that you open, the first one, you will see training guide, okay? So if I click on that, guys, it gives me the complete training. So everything that I'm going to do, you can see here, you use 2 links in the Zoom. It was initially, unfortunately, you guys know, if you are in the group, you know my story on Sunday. So I couldn't do the Zoom, but these 2 links will be underneath the video, okay? And then you can follow through if you want to. I want you to keep this resource as your own, okay? As long as you're part of this movement and part of ICA Pro Hub, guys, this will stay yours and you will be able to present training. It tells you even what to say, okay? So you guys will then work through this document for yourself first of all, and then afterwards, guys, if you are doing this a couple of times, because you can do it, excuse me, for different social platforms that you're using, and you become the boffin, for a lack of a better word, guys, and then you can help so many other people. That's your resource, done and dusted. I'm doing this out of my head, guys. Been doing this for 4 years, done it for a couple of coaches also, guys, not for companies, but for coaches, because they want to see their data and so on. So so that they can actually see where their videos are going down and so on. Sometimes you're reading that data, tomorrow you make the video, forgot about it, but you can get a script and all of those things from this machine. Takes time. That's what numbers does. Then it's proven data for you, not for me, not for these gurus and all these people that has input and things like that. And then it's generic nonsense anyway. So that's done and dusted for you. You're going to go through that. So that's open. I'm not worried about it anymore. Let's train your eyes on this one, guys. Difference is machine portal. This is where the next video I'm going to show you to copy, create your ChatGPT project. This is the instruction. We're going to literally click the copy, and then you can follow the video, and then we're going to paste it in the instruction side on your projects. Saying again, yes, people in this group, you guys are fast and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Do that at your own risk, guys. I want us to do it as slowly as possible. When you are running with these things, guys, it's going to become second nature. But you might just miss something, okay? But I'm not instructing anyone you can't do it. I'm advising, wait for me, and we do it in the next video, okay? So now you know what this document is about. It is where the resources are, and this becomes also yours. Guys, that 70 Rand is 70 Randing all the time for you. Okay, and I know why I'm doing that, guys, because we're going to have a long journey. None of you are here for a quick buck and a quick whatever, guys. Then you're at the wrong place. I promise you. Then you say, next month, Nathan, it's not for me. Okay, do it in your own time. Done with that. We got the beginning of the video, where the resources are. It's underneath. You open it. Now you understand it. You know one is training and one is the machine. When you save it like that, guys, for the future, the skill that you learn here, for your future clients and things like that. That you guys, I can't go find new clients. That is up to you, but use it first for your business. Okay? Then the next thing that you need to open, guys, by now, everyone must have ChatGPT, lock and load on the phone, on the PC. It must be your everything. It's my everything. Okay? Between ChatGPT and Claude, I don't do anything without ChatGPT and Claude. Okay? Because that's where the artificial intelligence lives. I don't even care about the other platforms. Everything for me starts with those two platforms. Later, as the months goes on, guys, I'm going to focus more on Claude, and I'm going to show you why Claude is a little bit different to ChatGPT, what the differences are, and so on. But I'm getting to a different loop. You guys are still with me if you're watching this. The main part of this video, you can't get lost. It's to open the two websites, your interactive websites, train your eyes so that you know exactly what it's for, and so that if we move forward, you know exactly. The one is my complete training to set up a data machine in my ChatGPT pinned. The next one is where I'm going to find my resources, copy and paste it so that I can place it in the right places, so that everything that needs to run into ChatGPT in the project side is loaded and locked in for me. This machine, before we go over to ChatGPT, guys, this machine doesn't need a library of things. Again, for the smarty pantsers, guys, that learns, and I love that. I'm also like that. But just be careful. A data machine is not like the other projects that we build. I'm going to give you another tip, guys. A data machine lives from the data that you give it. So in the later stages, guys, I'm going to show you how to go and find your analytics. For the ones that don't know, don't even worry about that. Don't overthink these things, guys. It's stuff that I've done before that worked for my business. Stuff that before I had the automotive system, guys, stuff that I had done on a daily basis saved me so much time, so much stress, and so on. So I'm going to show you that also. But for the ones that can think out of the box, just pause. Don't go place too much. I don't care what your ChatGPT say, guys. Don't throw a lot of things in the project. Just do what I'm showing in these videos. Nothing else. This is going to be the resource you need, nothing else. The data will make your data machine, it will then make it smarter. Because ChatGPT, the biggest ability of this machine is pattern recognition, guys. So that is, ChatGPT is one of its strongest points. Okay, so that is going to be the advantage with the data that you load. So don't cluster this thing with a lot of things. Okay, that is fine. So now we know we've got our links open. You had your little sermon message, guys, and that's going to be important so that you don't mess up. That's my worry, and that's why I had that little rant. The next thing, if you go to ChatGPT, guys, we need our business profile. So if you're in this training, your ChatGPT currently that's open, if you open it, guys, it must have a business profile. What you're doing online, your colors, your branding, all of those things, guys, is important. What are your business providing? All of those things we've done with the interviews and all of those things. That's why the foundation had a method, guys, so that we can get here and move forward. So if you skip and jump around, I'm telling you now, factually, guys, it's not going to work for you. Even though it's only 70 Rand, take your 70 Rand, guys, and run. Because then you're wasting your time. Work through it step by step. It is, guys, it's, soos hulle in Afrikaans sê, is van kardinale belang. So it's really, really important that you follow it step by step. Okay, so if that's the case and you've done that, guys, it's going to be a smooth run. You go to ChatGPT. What you need is your business profile. Okay, so you just go to projects. You go to projects. I've got it in my AI operating system. Actually, in all my projects that I open, I throw it in so that the reference stay my business, not something else. So if I open my AI operating system, I'll just go to sources, and there you can see ICA, AI operating system, identity, philosophy, strategy, and voice. That is important. That data machine needs that. But for you, it's not ICA, AI operating system, guys. It's going to say whatever business, and when you've done your interview and you gave enough context to this machine, everything will be in there. So let's pause. Okay, and you guys can go back, but let me guide and show you. So we open our resources. Our eyes are trained. We know exactly now what is the training side for that two websites, and our eyes are trained for where do I get my resources. The third thing, my ChatGPT is open, because initially we're going to take the ChatGPT, the resources into ChatGPT to build this data machine. But before we can do that, we now in ChatGPT to find our own business profile. That is the third resource that you need to do in this training. We're done with that, guys, and if you need to go back to see where I clicked and where I find the things, do that, guys. But this is where we're at now, okay? And that's what all we need to do. We need to get our business profile. We know how to open it. Our eyes are trained. Our ChatGPT is open. So now some of you might ask, Nathan, but how do I download this? Just go there to the three dots and you click download. If you click download, it will land in there. I've done it already. So you will see there's the same thing. ICA, operating system, identity, philosophy, strategy, and voice. Because I went here, boom, and download. Again, for the advanced people, please bear with me, guys. I'm not just talking down on you and think you're stupid. For me, simplifying is the important part because it's not about the knowledge. It's about applying it. And I will keep on saying and I will keep on teaching like that. So when you've downloaded, guys, what I normally do on my PC, I just go where the downloads is and then I drag it and I throw it on there. And there you can see, okay, let me just do one more in front of you. So then it will land in there and boom, okay? But it's already there, so coolio. Okay, so now in the next training, guys, I will come on for our next video. You must just follow the series, building your AI data machine, and then you will follow from this video onwards. If you jump off this video, otherwise watch it one more time, you must be able to open the two websites. You must be able to understand what these two websites, the one is with this and the one is with that. You will see going forward, it's going to save it like that. It's going to make simple sense for you so that you can train it like that. One is the training that runs you through everything. My warning is, guys, if you advance, don't rush. Okay? Let's follow the series. And you know what is going to help you with, even if you can go do it on your own and you get it right. I wish that for you, but not for this training. It's also going to help you when you need to help your teams or when you offer this as a service. Okay? So, and then the other one is obviously the data machine, all the information you need for your project. Okay? So I'm happy with that. And then you open the ChatGPT. We actually found now where our business profile is so that you don't need to do it over. We also then showed you how to download this thing. Okay? In the next training, guys, we will now then start building and taking all of these sources that we know now what it's for, where it is, and then we're going to throw it in. It's going to take very, very quick, guys. Sometimes the videos takes long, but you will see it's actually 1, 2, 3, and then it's done. Guys, see you in the next one. Like I always say, go out there, guys, and go hit them hard with your content and keep the flag high of ICA. See you in the next one.